little piece of butter right here, right there, just to bring up the flavor. So I'm going to stir in everything now. And after the butter is cooked out in there, melted out, this dish is finished. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whatever time of the day it is, guys, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Welcome back to Elaine's Kitchen. This morning we are going to do a quick and fast, easy breakfast. So guys, let I show you all the ingredients, what I have for this breakfast this morning. We are going to do some steamed cabbage. Here I have some cabbage. I cut up this ahead of time. Here I have my saltfish. I have some carrot here. I have some sweet pepper. I have some tocho. I'm going to add it in there. Here I have some onion, pepper, and garlic cut up right here. Here I have some tomato. Here I have some Maggi bouillon. And here I have my black pepper. And I have 3 tablespoons of oil right here, vegetable oil right here. So guys, view all the ingredients. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to turn on the heat underneath the pot. It's already on, so I'm going to add my oil. So now guys, I'm going to demonstrate and show you how I cut up these veg. I've already washed them. I washed all these vegetables. I washed them in some vinegar. Yes, I washed them already. I washed them in some vinegar. So I'm demonstrating now how I cut them to put them in my steamed cabbage. And I have a piece of the cabbage here I'm going to show you also. Guys, if you don't want to put carrot in your steamed cabbage, you just put what you feel like. If you don't want to put chocho, you don't have to. And my cabbage is a small cabbage. I cut out the core. I cut them like this. I cut them like this, guys, because I'm not cutting them small because I'm not making a raw salad. So when I'm making a raw salad, I cut them much finer. If you want to cut yours fine, you go ahead and cut yours how you want to cut it. Okay? So guys, this is the oil. It's eating away right here. So guys, right away we are going to just add in our ingredients one by one. Here are all the ingredients. I've already had the oil to the pot. So now I'm going to add my onion. Oh, shizzle. I'm going to add my carrots. So guys, I'm stirring them around now so they can saute it. And I thought it was the right pot to use. I'm adding my chocho. know guys, the chocho might take a little time, and the carrots, so I had them. We don't want them to cook too soft. So I'm adding some tomatoes, and I like to put this Maggi bouillon on the vegetables. So I'm sauteing all of these now, guys. Oh, smell the aroma. The pepper. Oh guys, I have a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in there. And I have some garlic. Sauteing them together. I'm adding a little black pepper, just a little, not much. Not much guys, not much black pepper, just a little. And guys, always remember to taste your pot, to taste for flavor, to taste for salt. And if it needs more, whatever seasoning you use, you can add it. If it needs more salt, you can add it, but not too salt. I'm waiting on these to just, you know, cook a little. The aroma is smells so good. So now guys, I'm going to taste. To see if these are halfway cooked through. I have we want our vegetables to eat chow chow. So guys, I'm going to now add my saltfish. I'm going to now add the saltfish so the flavor can combine together. And this is half pound of saltfish, guys. I'm going to now add my sweet pepper. Guys, look at this color. Look how colorful it is. I don't have the cabbages yet. Look at it guys, how beautiful, how lovely it is. It's very lovely. Look at it guys, how lovely it is. So now I'm going to continue stirring. And we are going to taste for flavor as soon as we add in our cabbage. So guys, here is what it looks like now. I'm going to add in my cabbage. I'm going to now add my cabbage. going to stir, combine the cabbage with the rest of the ingredients. All of it cannot hold in there one time, and you know cabbage shrink. Guys, look at it. How lovely it is, and very colorful. Very colorful. Look at it, guys. How colorful it is. So now I'm going to taste to see if it wants any more salt, or I can add some more all-purpose seasoning. Wow. Look at it. I am not covering it because I don't want it to cook too soft. All the ingredients combined together. Each one flavor the other. And the saltfish, oh, I did cook the saltfish ahead of time. I'm sorry I didn't mention that. And you know the saltfish having a little salt in it, because we don't boil out all the salt, because then we lose all the flavor from the saltfish. So guys, I had a little piece of butter right here, right there, just to bring up the flavor. So I'm going to stir in everything now, and after the butter is cooked out in there, melted out, this dish is finished. Guys, the butter helps to bring up the flavor, that's why I had it. If you don't want to add butter in yours, you don't have to. So guys, here, and I think it's finished now. We're going to turn off our heat. So guys, this is what my steamed cabbage and saltfish looks like. Guys, I'm going to taste again for salt and for flavor. Turn down the flame. Yes, so guys, it's finished. Not too fresh, not too salt. Flavors are up. Okay guys, I'm finished now. This is our steamed cabbage with saltfish and our veg, and this is what it looks like. I cook some food at a time, and I'm going to serve it with it. And this is the food that I cook ahead of time. So I'm going to serve my steamed cabbage and saltfish with this food. So guys, this is the finishing dish. This is the finishing dish of my steamed cabbage and saltfish, along with carrots and chocho and other green herbs. My sweet pepper, my onion, my scotch bonnet, and I had some garlic and some scallion. Yes, scallion was in there. Just not a lot. It was just a small amount of scallion was there. So I present this dish to you guys. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can have this for. So guys, this is what I serve it with. Some dumplings, white yam, and ripe plantain. So guys, this is all yours. Enjoy it. I hope you did enjoy this video. I enjoyed your company. I hope you enjoyed my company much as I do. I enjoy your company. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me. Always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Guys, please remember to share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Press that notification bell, that whenever time I upload another video, you will be the first person to be notified. Stay blessed, stay safe guys, and God bless you.